Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Adsterra ads to your WordPress website step by step. Adsterra is a great ad network for monetizing your website with display ads, pop-ups, native ads, and more. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience with WordPress, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So let's get started. Find your need to sign up for an Adsterra account. Go to adsterra.com, click on sign up and choose publisher since you want to display ads on your site. Now fill in your details Now, fill in your details such as your email and your name, etc. Verify your email and log into your Adsterra dashboard. Once you are in, you will see different ad formats like banners, popunders, and native ads. Now let's generate an ad. Now let's generate an ad code to place on your WordPress website. Click on Websites in the Adsterra dashboard. Add your website URL and select the category. Once approved, click on Create Ad Unit. Choose the ad format you want. Let's start with a banner ad. Copy the JavaScript ad code provided by Adsterra. Now, let's add this Adsterra ad code to your WordPress website. Method 1. Using a widget. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then select Widgets. Drag the custom HTML widget to your sidebar or footer area. Paste the Adsterra ad code and click Save. Method 2. Adding ads in blog posts. Open any blog posts in the WordPress editor. Add a custom HTML block in the content area. Now paste the Adsterra ad code and update the post. If you want more control over your ads, you can use a plugin like Ad Inserter. Go to Plugins, then choose Add New section and search for Ad Inserter. Install and activate the plugin. Go to Settings, then Add Inserter and paste your Adsterra ad code in one of the ad slots. Choose where you want the ad to appear, before the post, after the post, or within the content. Click Save and your ad will automatically be placed on your site. After adding the ads, make sure they are showing properly. Open your website in an incognito window. Browse different pages to check if ads appear correctly. If you don't see the ads, clear your cache or wait a minute, as some ads may take time to load. And that's it. You have successfully added Adsterra ads to your WordPress website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress and online monetization tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.